5 reasons you should consider black windows frames for your house. Hello friends, you can make your home stand out and increase its curb appeal by choosing complementing exterior colors. Today, more and more homeowners are picking black frames for their replacement windows. Here are some reasons why you should consider black window frames for your home. 1. Contrast. Black frames can add drama to light and simple spaces. They can add emphasis on the outdoor view, giving a framed canvas look. Since black is a classic color, it can look great and blend in well almost anywhere you place it. You can use black frames to emphasize windows as a feature of your home. 2. Shadows. Unlike what many think, black windows don't stick out on solid surfaces. Most of the time, they appear like a shadow. You won't even notice the window's black frame when you're looking outside because it disappears and you just see the view. 3. Heat. Depending on your area, black replacement windows have certain benefits. Dark-colored frames absorb more heat, which is a good thing if you live in a place with a cooler climate. But you don't have to worry if it's warm where you live. You can choose for thermally broken frames, which have plastic separators to prevent heat transfer between outdoor and indoor spaces. 4. Elegance. Choosing black frames is one of the easiest ways to make a room look more elegant. They especially complement contemporary or modern homes. However, they should be used with caution in period homes because they can look out of place. 5. Gray and darker shades. Black frames can make the colors in the brick stand out. Darker shades of gray may be a better choice for a brick surface with gray tones or flecks. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.